Hey everybody, Jeff Joyner here, coming to you from Olympic National Park. I'm in the last week of my summer speaking tour, traveling all around the country for the last 5 weeks. Got 1 week to go, but I'm here on a weekend in Washington. I'm speaking in Aberdeen, Washington, outside of Seattle on Monday. And so got a couple days here to do some exploring. Bucket list park here, Olympic National Park. Place is massive and lots of stuff to see and do. And so we're going to check some of it out and hopefully share some of it with you. Hey, if you get something out of these videos and you like them, make sure that you subscribe. And you know I'm here early because you can hear roosters in the background. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, I was saying. All right, I'm on the Hurricane Hill Trail. This is one of the more popular trails out here, I think. About 3.2 miles out and back. Oh, the views are stunning. Here early in the morning, it's like 7 a.m. Nice thing about it is that a lot of this trail is in the shade. A lot of uphill. That's what I'm thinking. We must be getting near the top. I catch a glimpse ahead of the trail. It's hard to get a sense of how much uphill. But these people are pretty far uphill for me. These people are pretty far downhill for me. I think I've been about 400 feet of elevation gain so far. The top of Hurricane Hill. Awesome view, awesome hike. Up over this side of the mountain is where they had some fire damage a few years ago. Some arbors just right over that hill. I'll tell you what, it's beautiful up here. A little breeze blowing. I guess certain times of the year the wind blows like crazy. All right, that was awesome. It was more elevation than I bargained for, frankly. A lot of uphill, a lot. I didn't know if I was gonna be able to do it, but definitely worth the views. And you know what's great about this hike? The views all the way up, beautiful. Every step of the way, beautiful views. I highly recommend it. Hurricane Hill. So my rental car is a Volkswagen Atlas, and I remember the license plate was a Washington plate. Started with CTC2, and I got here after my hike and I could not, it wouldn't unlock. And then I realized this is my rental car, 2 spots down, which starts with CTC2 Washington plate. It's the exact same car. So, and this one is the one. Hiking a short trail called Ancient Groves. That comes highly recommended by people on the interwebs. filtering down in here. Felt that. It's cool. I love when you're walking through the woods and you can hear a river. You hear that? I'm out at Ruby Beach at Olympic National Park. It's low tide. This will be all flooded in about 12 hours. Climbed out here. What's his name? To these rocks to get the best view of the sunset. Watch another beautiful sunset out here at Ruby Beach. It's hard to believe this is part of the same national park that I was hiking in all day in the woods and the mountains. Such eco diversity, it's hard to believe. I'm on the Hall of Mosses Trail this morning. It's cool how the moss just hangs off of these trees. So apparently this is called club moss. Just hangs off of these trees like a beard. It gets enough nutrients from the rain and the air and the sunlight. That's all it needs. If you'll be able to see it on the video, but you can see shafts of light coming down. It's really cool. Now on the Spruce Nature Trail. I bet in the spring, this river is raging. Dude, this is a tip-down tree that's got a bunch of trees growing out of it. awesome. It's about 12 feet across and about 20 feet tall. All right, great morning at the Hoh Rainforest. So this does it for me at Olympic National Park. Beautiful, totally unique, so much diversity. You know, one trail's in the mountains, the next trail's in the rainforest. You know, where I live, we got the only trails, like some trails have a little creek and some don't. That's the only diversity we got. And so really, really beautiful. Loved it. If you get a chance to be out here in the state of Washington, check out Olympic National Park. See you next time.